Hi guys, in today's video we are going to discuss something very interesting. Okay, so this is about the knowledge collector in the Dialogflow ES, and what we know from the document which is present by the Dialogflow is for the knowledge connector only supported languages are English, Australian, or the other locales which is we have for the English language. Now we are going to do something a daredevil question. Does the knowledge connector understand Hindi language? Okay. So for that I did a one small, or I'm going to do a small experiment. Uh, for the benefit of the time, I have already opened FAQ, which is in Hindi. So this is one of the FAQ which I have found. You can see over here. Now what I will do is just as we did from the previous video. If you don't know the previous video, the comment in the description link, you can find the link how to create a FAQs and all those things. So we are going to process the same thing over here. We will click on document. We'll just name it as Hindi. Uh, we'll give it as FAQ. We know it is a HTML. We will give the URL over here. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to see if the knowledge character who is not given as a preferred language or the supported language as per the document, does the FAQ supported if it is in Hindi, right? So what it's doing right now, it will create a knowledge base in general term what we say, and we will see if it is supports or not. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so Hindi has been created. If we click on the view details, so let's see if it has read the documents. Okay, so it has read the questions, so it does understand at least from the HTML tags that which are the questions and which are the answers. Okay, and I think it has detected all the questions, right? Yeah, there are a few pages, other pages also. Okay, so now what we will do is let's see uh, what question we can ask, right? So like क्या भोजन के माध्यम से COVID-19 फैलता है? Okay, does the COVID uh, spread through food, right? So let's copy few of the text. भोजन के माध्यम से COVID-19 फैले like this, and let's ask the dialog flow if it understand or not. Okay, so it has understood आमतौर पे blah blah blah. So it has given the answer, and if you see that is the same answer it has detected. So you can see that it is detecting. Now let's go to the diagnostic info. So this will give us the more interesting aspect over here. So if you scroll down, right? So if you see the intent detection confidence. So now what we are seeing over here, although the text which we have provided as a user is in Hindi, the knowledge base is in Hindi, but Dialogflow is able to understand the confidence level. Okay, so if you see over here, so this is the same question and answer. So the first one is 97%. Let's see if it is matching with, yeah, so okay, it is matching with other one. लाइक क्या इस व्यक्ति, क्या ऐसे व्यक्ति जिसे कोरोना के लिए क्वारंटाइन किया गया उसे बीमारी फैल सकता है. So it has also detected this one with a quite high percentage, 96. And what about the last one? कोविड 19 के खतरे के काम करने के लिए परिवार में blah blah blah. Okay, so it has also detected that one. So what we are challenging over here is, first of all, does the Dialogflow supports? We see it supports. At least it understand the question and it gives you the confidence or the intent confidence level. Now this is not a open public source, right? It has been not documented that this language are supported. So I leave it to you guys to determine if it understand or not. So you can play with the wordings of the questions and see if it is getting detected. So we will give another try. Let's say COVID-19 कैसे फैलता है? Okay, so let's give कैसे फैलता है या फैलता है. We have to give this one. So let's give COVID in English. So let's see if we change this one in English, does it detect? Oh, it is just detect, right? So Still we have changed the COVID to English, and but the rest of the sentence were same. So it's still able to detect, and let's see if it is the right answer. Yeah, किसी भी व्यक्ति. Yeah, correct. So yeah, so the question was, can Dialogflow detect? Answer is yes. It can parse the HTML tags. It can understand the questions and the answer. When we pass the Hindi text, it does detect that. And the question is, if we tweak the questions, how much it will be recognizing, what will be the confidence level and all. So for that, you can do your own experiment and drop me in comment section that what you have found. Is it still a valid one or not? Because what I'm seeing over here, okay, so over here, the third question, confidence is low. So which is also a significance that Dialogflow does understand uh, that this is not exactly the question that user have asked. So that's why the confidence level was quite low. So hopefully you like this video, and thank you.